Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Gauth app. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to your Play Store or App Store, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android. Then you have to go to the search bar and search for Gauth. Once you find it, you'll have to tap on it, then click on download. But here in my case, I have downloaded already. So once you download it, you'll have to open the application and it will ask you to allow the camera while using the app. Just give it the permission. Then here, as you can see, it will open your camera. Now, how we can actually use it? You can use it in various ways. You can solve some mathematics, some equations. You can also go here and translate some words or even phrases from any other language. You can solve some physical equations, chemistry, literature, geometry, language, economics, etc. So if you do not have the thing that you are looking forward to in these sections, you can simply choose the general. And what you should do right now is to simply take a photo of the question that you want to answer. So in my case, I have this medical question. This is actually a tough question. You just have to take a picture of it. Then make sure that all your question is involved into this box right here. Then click on the middle button, the red one right here. Then after that, you should just wait for a couple of seconds. It will not take a very long time. And here, as you can see, it will show me the analysis of the question itself. And finally, it will give me the answer. From the beginning, I really know the answer, which is discontinuate the atorvastatin and monitor symptoms. Then here, when I click on submit, it's really the right answer. So this app is really helpful if you are a medical student, if you are a student in any specialty in the university, if you are in the engineering faculty or any other educational fields. You can also go back like this and you can open the calculator. You just have to click on the button on the top right corner. It will open the calculator. You can also use this modern calculator. As you can see, you can also go to the converter and convert, from millimeter to centimeter or from feet to, let's say, miles, etc. When you just click on it, it will show you here all the units, the length unit, the area units, volume units, speed, weight, time, etc. And when you go back, you can also translate a specific word or a phrase or even a book. Select this words right here. I want to translate it to English. So when I click on it, translate to English, it will show me here all the languages that I can actually use. It has English, Spanish, Italian, French. It has many languages, so you can use it. And here, as you can see, it showed me the translation of the Russian. Maybe it has some mistakes, but this is a very quick and easy tool to encourage you finish some of your homework. So now let's go back. Now let's say that you have a picture of an equation, a mathematical equation, and you want simply to solve it. You just have to click on your gallery, then click on allow. Then you will have to choose any mathematical equation that you want to solve. But here in my case, I have already an equation here. I'll just take a photo of it. I have this quadratic simultaneous equation, and make sure that I have all the equation like this. Then click on this red button and wait till it solve the equation. And here, as you can see, have all the steps of the answer. You can also click on show more steps to see more steps for solving this equation. Now, that was actually all. If you want to get the premium, you just have to click on profile, then click on unlock the pro. And here you have all the features with the pro. You can have many snaps. You will have elevated accuracy, and you can also talk to someone of the experts on how you can actually solve these questions. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.